Okie dokie. So we want to show you some changes we've made to the van over the last few months, or however long. I think it's 6 months. Changed the cushions since we came back from our Easter trip, because with these crazy hound dogs, it's impossible to keep material clean. So we covered the exposed wood that was left from last year, put some faux leather cushions on. Anyone want to hazard a guess how much that cost us? Have a go. Drop leaf table. I can't do it one-handed. You can. That was added. It's an absolute freaking game changer. Overhead storage. We have been hemming and hawing about this overhead storage since we started building the van. Not as if, will it make a change to how we perceive the space in here, headspace for the giant, because obviously it's not going to affect the little dwarf. But it's made a massive difference because we really struggle with storage in here. Shower door. We have a shower curtain, but the door has been it's just been, yeah, great, hasn't it? Yeah, easy for a quick pee.
Keep the main door open.
We've added these locks as well because we had some crazy scientist configuration before with a headband so nothing falls out. Added it to the bottoms as well there, and that's it, isn't it?
Yeah,
I'm sure that's it so far. I mean, there's still lots to go. That, like, oh, no, my favorite. The snoring sign that we got from the British Rail Museum in York. I still snore though. But yeah, there we go. Oh, I lie.
Oh, yes.
Fresh water tap. We press the button and it takes it straight from a
Fresh water container underneath the sink.
Yeah, freshwater container underneath the sink. It just pumps it straight from there.
Ready to change over. Just goes on to 5-litre bottles you can buy from Aldi, Morrison's, and all the other supermarkets.
There we go. That's it. Follow us for more changes to the van because this will never be 100% complete. I can guarantee you. It is our little baby project. Toodles.